These are various ways you could turn your banana peels into compost. Soaking the banana peels in a bucket or container for a period of time in order to extract liquid nutrients. So now we add water. The next way is to directly add it on the soil, mix it in, cover it up with leaves. The next way to make use of compost is to put them directly behind the plant. So covering it up, the composition, these may break down and become compost. This next method is called the compost bin. Put some leaves at the bottom. Here's the fifth and final composting method. Dig a hole in the ground and put your composting materials, your organic matter, like these banana peels, in that hole. And constantly let the rain or drop some water in it from time to time.